Good afternoon, everyone. Thanks for joining us this afternoon. Glad you could join us here on a Friday afternoon. We'll be discussing some of our highlights on the multi-rate guarantee annuity side of the market right now. This is Matt Tour, marketing specialist at Insurance Agency Marketing Services. Glad you could join us here today to review that. We'll also be offering a CD conversion kit to everyone that did attend the meeting today. It should be a really nice packet of information. We'll be going ahead and getting over to you via email when this is all concluded here, either today or Monday. We'll get that out to you. Seen a really nice increase in production this year on the MYG side of the market. We've seen a huge increase in interest rates. We've gone from rates being in the mid twos, and now we have a rate at 6%, guaranteed for 5 years, the best rate we've seen in the fixed market probably for about 25 years. So been a long time since we've seen a 6% interest rate. So definitely good times to be in this fixed side of the market. I know the stock market's definitely been going through its growing pains this year. A lot of big losses here in 2022. And we'll see what happens here through the end of the year, but I do not expect much happening between now and the end of December. We'll see how things develop going into 2023. We do continue to offer our new builder bonus program. You can earn some additional incentives based on production the first 180 days of being licensed through IAMS. We have iPads, we have marketing programs, Boss Radio, different mailing houses. We can help you put the cost on those. A lot of great stuff, including cash. A great time to take advantage of that right now with some of the rates we have out there in the marketing space. Good way to build your business with us helping pay for those costs of advertising. We have our referral program. You can refer agents to IAMS. We get them contracted. You earn a 20 basis point override on their indexed annuity premium, and then you do earn a 10 basis override on their multi-rate guarantee premium. We also have a market reimbursement program. We reimbursed half of your cost based on your balance in your account. And to increase your balance, you submit indexed annuity premium to IAMS. We'll kick in $100 for every $100,000 of premium you write with us. And then a single premium life, we'll actually kick in $200 for every $100,000 of single premium life you write through our group here. We have a great back office team, great new business processing team, do a lot of the nitty-gritty work that's required in the annuity space right now, between advertising, marketing, new business processing. We have a great team across the board. We've got a good marketing team, can help you with quotations. We've got a Firelight e-application system. Most of our carriers have that available now. It's available through our website. We see about 40% of our business now coming through e-apps. Some carriers, that's all they'll accept is e-applications. We're starting to see more and more companies require that. So do keep that in mind. I do believe that once you've done an e-app once, it makes it much easier the second time around. It's just trying to getting through that bell curve of learning process. So definitely a good thing to keep in mind. As I mentioned, we got a great creative team here that can help you out with advertising. They can help you with social media advertising, doing emails, redoing your logo, maybe redoing your business colors on your company information. Great group to work with. I know we have 4 very experienced helpers on that side. A great place to go to for your advertising needs. We've got our own website we've had up for many years. You could pull a lot of information off that, including applications to write business. You can get industry information, industry links, maybe look up a tax question. You can go up on our tax facts side of the website, look at that. Look at the current annuity rates. Maybe I'll take a look at the latest 5-year rates we have, and the state of Alabama for someone that's 80 years old. You can pull that information up right on our website, and a great place to get everything you need on that end. We do offer the Retirement Analyzer software program. It's a great client-based software program. You can plug in all kinds of information into this. It's going to kick you out a really nice color report, be able to present to your client, show them their current needs, maybe for more savings, future income, maybe diversifying their portfolio away from risk. That's a great piece to to have at your fingertips. I know Marcus Solar and Justin Ford are our two specialists on the Retirement Analyzer, and a great thing to look at. Got a wealth management side of our business. I know we've seen big increase in that business the last few years. This year hasn't seen as good results on that end, but we still have a lot of individuals extremely active in that wealth management side of the market. If somebody has some interest in taking a look at, down the road, you can mark off yes. I'll go ahead, one of our specialists give you a call, kind of go over some of the high-end information we can provide on that side, maybe help you out pass your Series 65 test, help you get through some of the hurdles you need to get a 65 done. But something you do have interest in pursuing, I just launched a quick poll here. I'll leave it open for about another 45 seconds to a minute. If you do have interest in pursuing that, definitely mark off yes. We'll go ahead and have Duncan give you a call. We have a nice, really good group of people who work on that side of the market. Seen a lot of our top 20 producers get their Series 65. Really helps with keeping their clients on board. Hate to lose a client to someone else because you can't offer what they offer. A great way to handle all the needs of your clients, having both insurance and the security side covered. So if you do have interest in looking farther into that side of the market with us, mark off yes. We would be glad to give you a call and get you started on that end, but I'll go ahead and get this closed up here and get moving along. But we do have a really good investment platform you can utilize, low fees, good experience on that side of the market, really some good stuff you could take advantage of based on that wealth management team. We continue to offer our 2-day academies. I know we have one going on today and yesterday. Great way to pick up some sales ideas, get to meet some really good high-end producers from all over the country, bounce some ideas off of them, pick up some sales closing techniques and some other information that's good to have based on these trying times. We'll also review some of our software programs available to you in the field. We also bring in some marketing specialists to help get you in front of more people. We bring in some lead vendors, go over kind of what they have to offer. A lot of really good stuff you can pick up on that. I'm gonna go launch another quick poll. If you'd like to come to one of our meetings, it is all expense paid. Probably do our first one in 2023 sometime in April, if not late March. But it's a good time to get out, beginning of the year, pick up some new ideas, be able to ramp up your sales, moving through the year. We always see a nice increase in business from those that do attend our meetings. And it's a good way to get to that next level. Maybe you're currently doing about $500,000 in production. You'd like to get up to that $1 million level. This will definitely help you ramp up your opportunities there and get more sold on that side. So if you have any interest in coming out to one of our academies, as I mentioned, it is all expense paid. We take care of your flights. We take care of your room and board. All the transportation you're going to need when you leave your hometown will be provided. If you would like to drive in, we do take care of your mileage costs. We get that taken care of for you. So really a nice combination there across the board. I'll leave this open for another few minutes, but if you do have interest in coming out to one of our meetings, just check off yes. We'll give you a call here the next few months, give you the dates we have available in 2023. We typically hold these in Des Moines or Omaha. I know we're looking at doing one in Dallas the first quarter of next year. See how that pans out, but definitely something very strong to look at. As I mentioned, we do offer our CD Replacement Kit. Got a lot of good stuff in here I'll be sending out to you. We have CDs versus index annuities sales strategies. We've got CDs versus bank or versus annuity comparisons. We've got split annuity comparisons. A lot of good stuff you can review based on the CD Replacement Kit. I know we've been sending these out the last couple of years, seen a lot of big growth in our MYG business this year. I mean, partly due to the fact we've seen better rates, also due to the fact that people are becoming more informed on reasons to buy annuities versus CDs or versus money markets. Definitely some good stuff to look at based on this kit. I'll go ahead and email this out to you either today or Monday. Got to everyone that did attend today's meeting. Any questions you do have on that end when you receive the packet, definitely give us a call. I'll be glad to review what needs to be looked at on that end and do that with you. We'll be spending the rest of today's webinar discussing some of the high points on some of the carriers we offer in the fixed rate market. I know we've seen a huge increase in fixed business being sold here in 2022. Probably going to see that continue into 2023. A lot of people are looking for rate guarantees, safe investments, and they want to stop the losses. They don't want to lose any more money. They're sick of seeing their values drop every quarter. They'd much rather see their values go up every quarter. So that's where these fixed rates come in. We've seen a really nice bump in rates. Take a look at our first plan here through Americo. They're Platinum Assure 5. It has a 5% rate guaranteed for 5 years. You've got a 10% free withdrawal starting the second year. In the first year also. It's got a full death benefit, nursing home and hospital waivers. Really nice program on a 5-year rate at 5. One of our best rates we have right now is actually with Nassau Re. They're sitting at 5.3 on a compounded rate on $100,000 or more. The minimum deposit is 10 grand. If you'd put in less than 100, your rate on a 5 year is going to be at 5.1. You do have that 10% available starting the second year. It does have a 30-day window at the end of the 5 years. If you would like to move your money out, you can do that at that point. If you want to leave it in there and just go for another 5 years with the same company, you can go with that route. A lot of good options there based on what they offer there through the company with Nassau. Atlantic Coast Life, carrier we've been using the last few years. They've got both a simple interest rate and a compounded rate. Their safe harbor is simple interest. You can see the rates are between 5.9 first year and 6.8. You can see the second year rates are between 4.9 and 5.8. They do have some different features you can add onto these policies. These are bare minimum based on the current rates I'm advertising right now, which would not include the riders. But if you have interest in adding the riders on, there is a fee for those on an annual basis. Maybe you want to do a 10% free withdrawal, or maybe you need the full death benefit. We do have a lot of features you can add on to the basic chassis to meet your client's needs. You can see on the compounding side, the 5-year rate is at 5.45. First year, 4.45 years 2 through 5. The 10-year rate's at 5.65 first year, 4.65 years 2 through 10. So really good rates there. They also have a indexed annuity. The rates are a little bit lower on this. We won't be discussing this much. We see other carriers with much higher interest rates. If you take a look at Sentinel, their 7-year rates at 4.70, 5-year rate at 4.65, 10-year rate at 4.75. Decent rates on those, and they have the same features where if you want to add on different features on the policy, you would reduce the interest rate moving forward. It's available to age 90 in most states, available to age 80 in Oklahoma. You have a $2,500 minimum, and there's limited states available based on that. SILAC, we're seeing much more business going to their indexed annuities than their fixed right now. Their fixed rates are a little bit low, so keep that in mind. Equitrust has their Choice 4 annuity right now. It's got a 5.5 fixed rate first year, 4% base rate. It pays a 5.5% commission to age 80. Really strong combination right now. We see a lot of business going to Equitrust on that 5.5% commission, 5.5% rate. Very strong combination. Take a look at Fidelity and Guarantee. They have a 5-year rate right now at 5.2. Plans available to age 90. Commission is 2% on the 5-year rate. It has a 50% reduction in commission at the higher ages. From ages 80 to 90, that commission would be 1%. Clear Spring Life, who took over the Guggenheim portfolio, you can see their rates are pretty nice, less than $250,000. The 5-year rate to the 8-year rate is 4.8. The 10-year rate's at 4.90. The compensation is 2.5 up to age 80. The plan itself is available to age 90. It does go down to $5,000 deposit, so it does have some lower deposit amounts you can get into based on that. Aspida, new company we brought on, A- rated. They've been around last 60 to 90 days with us. You can see they've got very good rates. They have a 5.4 compounded rate right now. It's actually the highest rate we have amongst any of our 5-year contracts on compounding. It is available to age 90. Commission is going to be that 2% range. They do pay full commission through age 80. They do have some different features you can add onto the policy, which will reduce that interest rate. But as I mentioned, they do have the highest interest rate we have on the compounded side at 5.4. We'll launch a quick poller if you'd like to get some additional information on some of the plans we've discussed today. Mark off yes. I will give everyone a call post-meeting. We'll discuss kind of which ones you had some interest in. I'll go ahead and forward that information to you on the specific carrier you have interest in utilizing. And we'll go ahead and get that taken care of next couple of days, either today or Friday or Monday, and get that done. Our highest actual specific interest rate we offer is with a company called Abexis right now. They're A- rated. They do have a 6% rate guaranteed for 5 or 7 years. There's also an indexed option, which has a triggered account. The way that works is if the S&P index is up at all during the year, or during that year, then you would earn 8.1. That's based on a $100,000 deposit. The fixed rate is 6. The index cap rate is 8.10. Great combination. You can do a split on that, 50-50. You can put 75 in the fixed, 25 in the indexed. The most you can put in the index side is 50%. Really strong contract. Been seeing a lot of this sold lately. You do have a 10% free withdrawal starting the 2nd year. You do have issue to age 85 on the 5-year and 3-year contracts. 7-year contract is issued to age 80. I'm going to go ahead and close up that deal right now. But Abexis is our latest and greatest company we offer. A- rated, really strong financially. They've got big financial backing from a group, and their rates right now are at the top. 6% for 5 years. We haven't seen that rate in a couple decades. Been a long time. If you'd like to follow us on Facebook and LinkedIn, we do have presence on both sides. Facebook, facebook.com/IAMS Inc/ and then LinkedIn, you can see a LinkedIn. We do have an account on that. We do record all of our webinars, so if you'd like to get on our YouTube site, you can watch all the webinars we've done the last number of months. Great way to kind of see what's going on in the market, get a feeling for what rates are doing, who's offering what, what specials we have. We did announce our next trip is going to be to South Carolina, and it's going to be Kiowa Island is where it's going to be, and it's a 18-month qualification. Qualification runs from July 1st, 2022 through December 31st, 2023. So it is 18 months to qualify. 4.5 million points. We're doing double credit points right now. So anything you do write and get issued at this point will get double credits towards that next trip. So if you wrote $1 million, it gets issued in this last quarter, you have 2 million points going forward based on that trip. So great chance to get a jump on the next trip. If you have any questions on anything we covered today on the rates, plans we have available, all that good stuff, I'd be glad to go over it with you. If you're looking for something that goes to a very small deposit amount, we do have a contract. You go down to $100 a month on, start the $100 up front. With the IRA season coming up, it's always good to have some options on some lower deposits, but it's the best and lowest we have. Otherwise, everyone have a great weekend. Appreciate you joining me today. Again, this is Matt Tour, Marketing Department at IAMS on the annuity end. Everyone have a festive weekend and enjoy the day. Thank you.